Welcome on back, guys, to TK's Garage, and today we're going to talk about security updates and how Dodges, Chryslers, Jeeps, and Rams can still be stolen, and that security update don't mean shit. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. In today's video, I'm going to continue my series on how easy these Challengers, Hellcats, scatpacks, Rams, TRXs, Jeeps, Grand Cherokees, Chrysler 300s. If it's a Chrysler, if it's an FCA product / Stellantis and it still uses that FCA software, the setup, it can be stolen like this. Now, getting directly into it, I have a key here from the TRX, all right? Now, what I'm going to do with this key is I'm going to program it to this Challenger. Now, to be clear, to make it fair, we're going to show that the car, now I'm not going to break into my car. Now, one of the aspects that has to happen is they have to get into the car. They have to access the car to get to the screen, which is right here. They have to get to this right here to program the key. So for the purposes of that, I am not going to lock my door, obviously, because you have to actually break into the car. But once they're into the car, programming pretty much any Dodge key, any FCA key from any FCA product will work with the car, and we're going to show you. I'm going to leave my keys right here. I got the key fob right here. Only the one key fob. The other key fob is in North Carolina. All right. We're gonna leave all the keys and leave them on the ground. I'm gonna get into the car. We're gonna program this key, which is gonna take me about 20 seconds. Now, yes, when they open your door, unless you left it unlocked like a dumbass, if your doors are locked, when they open the door, the alarm should start going off. Your horn should start beeping, things of that nature, right? But it's going to go off for like 20 seconds. They're going to program this key like this. This is a key from a TRX. They're going to program this key, and it's going to start the scat pack. And the scat pack's going to think it's going to have a key. And we're going to go for a ride around the block. We're going to get out of the car, lock the car, all of that with a TRX key. And this ought to show you just how crap that Dodge and FCA is with this update. Now, here's the thing. I'm not going to show you guys exactly how it works. I'm not going to show you guys exactly how to do it, because then I would be promoting people to steal cars. I'm not going to do that. I'm just showing you how these guys are actually stealing the cars, and this security update that they're doing doesn't mean shit. The security update they're doing doesn't mean anything. Nothing. Nothing at all, guys. Oh, well, you got to put in a pin. Nope. 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 Not true. So, look. They could change the update. They could make it better. They could make it where if the key is not present, outside of the key not present, it asks for the pin, but asks for the pin no matter if the key's present or not. That would make it a little bit better. But they made it sound when they put out this press release that even when the keys are present, you have to put in this pin. Otherwise, you're limited to like 1 horsepower. That's a lie. It's not true. It's not true. And there's a reason why nobody else is getting this update at dealers. You can schedule an appointment all you want, and they can tell you they put it on your car, but it's just not happening. So today's video is educational for you guys to protect your asset, whether it's a Ram, a Hellcat, whatever. You know when they have that saying, gone in 60 seconds? That's no bullshit. And if they have a key fob from another car, they got keys. It's that easy. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so here I got my keys. what we're gonna do is we're gonna get out. I'm gonna lock the car and then unlock the car so that I know that the system is completely shut off. To show you, the car is completely off. She's in first gear. The e-brake is set. She's off, okay? Let me clean grimy ass camera. All right, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get out of the car with the keys. We're gonna come over here. I'm gonna lock the car. Now I press it about 5 times. Hear it? We'll do it again. All right, she's locked. Now I'm gonna unlock it. All right, the car is unlocked. Now what we'll do is we're gonna go over here and we're gonna stand for, I don't know, 20 seconds, maybe 20, 30 seconds, and let the car time out, do its thing. Because I know you guys are going to say, well, TK, it's not really a fair example. The computer could still be on. You have easy access to it, blah, blah, blah. And this is not exactly how somebody does it when they steal your car, because they either break your window or they break in and the alarm does go off. Mine's not. So what we're going to do at this point is take the keys. I'm going to leave them right there on the ground. And I have the RAM key here. All right, we have the TRX RAM key right here. We're going to walk towards the car. Just like somebody that be looking to steal a car like this, they're going to look around. They're going to check. Everything looks good. I can do this. I can steal it. And then what they're going to do is they're going to get into the car. This part, I can't show you guys. All right. All right, we're in that system. On. See, I'm not as quick as these thieves that do this every single day. So, up there we go. We're in. All right, now I'm going to hold this key. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000. I'm holding a button. I'm not going to tell you which one to get it to program. And then 3, 2, 1. It says it's programmed. Let's go for a drive. Now, this ought to scare the shit out of you, right? I have a key from a Ram TRX programmed to a scatpack. How is that possible? How is it this easy to steal Mopar products? Anything with a key fob can be stolen fairly easily. That is true. And just because I know someone's going to say, oh, it's limited in power. Oh yeah? I'm at 30 right now in a parking lot. So no, it's not limited in power. It didn't do anything. The security update is not worth jack shit. And I told you all this. Now, let's go back out and pick up my keys. I'm going to let you guys watch me pick up the keys in real time, because you saw me drop them when I was out there. Because I know someone's going to be, oh man, TK has his key on him. TK has his key on him. I'm going to leave this key in here. All right. We'll leave this right here. Let me turn the camera around, and you guys can watch me go get my keys. And there it is. Keys obtained. That should be a massive warning to any one of you guys that owns any of these Mopar products. And the reason why I say that is because I know you guys are going to say, well, does it lock the car? Does it unlock the car? Uh-oh. Shit. Okay, there it is. It worked. All right. I had to push it like 3 or 4 times. Let's try it again. All right, what about, this doesn't have a trunk button, huh? It does have a remote start button. I wonder what happens when, you know what? I'm gonna mess around and brick my car. But I wanted to show you guys that it was possible, and this is how people are stealing these Mopars. They're grabbing a key off Amazon, a used Mopar key, man. This thing was programmed to our Ram TRX, all right? This key right here was programmed to a TRX. Now, right now, it's programmed to this car. That's it. I can lock this car, and I can lock this car. I can start this car. I can do whatever I want now with a fucking TRX key. Are you kidding me? Dodge, you have to tighten up. This should be a wake-up call for Dodge. And here's the thing. The information I used to be able to replicate this today is on the internet. So any real enterprising car thief already knows about this process. And that's how they're going to dealers with a used key. And they might have like 10 used keys. And they just program them with cars and roll out. That's how they're doing it. If I can look on the internet in 30 minutes and figure out the process to program a damn key, and I don't work for Dodge, that's a fucking problem. You guys need to run this up. Smash the thumbs up button, tag Dodge, tag Mopar, tag Stellantis, tag FCA, Chrysler, all of them. There's no excuse for this. We invest way too much money into these cars, into their products, and they're leaving us out there butt fucking naked. Now, there's a couple things that you can do to protect your investment. You shouldn't have to, but you could go buy a boot at AutoZone, which, you know, an enterprising thief is just going to unbolt that wheel, take it off, and put another wheel on it and take your car anyway. But it gives you some time. And if you have other stuff plugged into your OBD, like the Bump app, and I'm going to show you about that. Anytime somebody touches your car, you get a notification on your phone. It's a must-have thing. I have it. After my car got broke into, best believe if somebody's even in the proximity of my shit, I know. So you gotta, unfortunately, when you know, just because you spend 40, 50, 60, 90,000 on a Mopar product, the company gives no shits about you, and they're doing nothing to protect your asset. Know that anybody at any time could walk up to your car with a used key from another Mopar, and if they knew the process that I just did right now, they could program any key from any FCA product. I think you probably even could program a Maserati key and roll out. That's a problem. Dodge needs to fix it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Some of the things that you can do to prevent other theft: put your keys in a Faraday bag, you know, as far as to protect you from the repeater scam where they repeat your key and steal your car. I already did a video on that. You can find it here on the channel. I'll put a link in the description if you haven't seen it already. And the other one is, if you're a manual like me, you're screwed. They can just get into your car, put it in neutral, and roll out. But if you have an automatic, they have a neutral pull. And I got a buddy named Destroyer1320. He has a YouTube channel. Type that in, Destroyer1320. I'll also tag him in the description down below with an @ sign. Just click on it. He sells these little plates that'll protect your Jeep, Ram, any Mopar product. They make them, and they can keep people from pulling that neutral strap and pushing your car down the road. All right? So go do that. That's some of the things you can do to protect yourself. As far as the key thing, right now, there ain't shit you can do until Dodge changes the procedure on the program and the keys. And they've known about this problem for over 2 years, and they haven't changed the procedure. The post that I read, and I'm not going to tell you where I read it. Shit. I'm not going to tell you where I read it. But that post is over 2 years old, and it's the same post, and it's the same procedure that I just used to program this TRX key to my scatpack. That should scare the shit out of you.